Welcome to StoryShell Academy. In this tutorial we will learn how to localize a video and change its language from English to Spanish, and then from Spanish to German. Let's start by clicking Media Localization button. Give your story a name. Pick the media language and upload your video. You have the option to split the voice and the music, but we can also do that later. Now click Next. On the next page you will have a summary of your preferences. Once we click Next, the media will upload. Once finished, we will go to our dashboard or our newly created story. From the top right corner, you can see current status of any tasks that are in the platform. Once the media is being analyzed by our system, we have a couple of options. We can delete the file. We can generate transcription. Separate the voiceover from the background music and add the media to the timeline. We can also preview the media by clicking on it.
Life is like a metro station. Opportunities come and go.
Let's now go from the media to text and script window. Here we can review all the texts that have been transcribed and edit any mistakes. From the three dots on the top right corner, we can translate the whole story if we're satisfied with the text. From here we need to select the new language that we want the story to be translated in this case German. We can see in the status bar that our story is being translated and then the success message. We can click the Go to New Story button to be directed into our new translated story. If we go back to Stories, we can now see that we have a variation of our previous story, but now in German. Now we have our text in German. We have to select a speaker. Don't forget to click the check mark. This will apply the same speaker to all your cards so you don't have to do it manually. Now to preview our new generated voiceover, let's first add our media video to the timeline and click Synchronize. Our system will automatically position new voiceover to the corresponding timing.
Meet Jane, patiently waiting for the train. Life is like a
But as you can hear, we have an overlapping voices. Let's mute the original media voice on screen.
Treffen Sie Jane, die geduldig auf den Zug wartet. Das Leben ist wie eine U-Bahn-Station. Möglichkeiten kommen und gehen.
You can always adjust the individual voice messages. Let's now use the feature split the voice and music so that we can use them separately in our project. You can see the active status of the tasks being done. Once the task is completed, you will have the original media, but now have the sound and vocals separated into different media files. What we can do now is add our separated background music with our new German translation. Let's see how this sounds.
Treffen Sie Jane, die geduldig auf den Zug wartet. Das Leben ist wie eine U-Bahn-Station. Möglichkeiten kommen und gehen, aber warum auf den nächsten Zug warten, um glücklich zu sein? Es ist an der Zeit, hinauszugehen und deinen eigenen Weg zu gehen. Verfolge deine Träume und ergreife den Moment.
Let's now do this one more time and translate our story from German to Spanish. Let's click again the Go to the New Story button and select the Spanish speaker we desire. Again, don't forget to click the Apply to All. Now let's go back to our media and add our original video and our background sound in the timeline. Then, going back to text and script, we have to click Synchronize. The system will automatically position the new voiceover to the corresponding timing. Here we have clear separation between the background audio and the new generated voiceover in Spanish.
Conoce a Jane, quien pacientemente espera el tren. La vida es como una estación de metro. Las oportunidades vienen y van, pero ¿por qué esperar al próximo tren para ser feliz? Es hora de salir y seguir tu propio camino.
You can also upload your own background music. Once uploaded, click the plus to bring it to the timeline. Delete the previous background music and preview it.
Conoce a Jane, quien pacientemente espera el tren.
You can always adjust the volume for any of the clips.
La vida es como una estación de metro. Las oportunidades vienen y van.
Once satisfied with the result, go to the three dots on the top right corner and click Export Story. This will export everything from your timeline.